gamut, the owner of Dogs Can Dance. And this is my partner, Alina. And I want to ask you a very important question. What gets your yes or your reward marker? If you can have one thing in mind and train that one thing today, your dog is going to thank you for that instead of having 500 things on your mind. So make that one criterion valuable. For Alina, it's eye contact. Yes. Good girl. I want the eye contact. Ready? Yes. Good. Yes. 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 Good girl. Yes. 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 So practice whatever skill it is that you want your dog to have and really concentrate and focus on that one criterion. That's your challenge for this week. Good. Yes. 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 Good girl.